So this is where I've got my compost, and I'm going to actually put them in this bag today. So I'm going to get all the leaves up, and I'm going to get all the compost up, put it in my bag to store it for this year, and then I'm going to start making some more. Okay.
You're probably wondering why I left it so late in the season to be doing this. But I had a lot of pots on my fire, and some was getting overcooked, undercooked, and some was getting burnt. I didn't even remember to turn on the fire on some of them. So my apologies. But if you're going to do this, make sure you actually put your compost in the bag after it's cured. So if it takes 3 months, 6 months, whenever it's cured, put it in your bag, because it will preserve it and it will last longer. I'm no pro. I am learning as I'm going on, and I know you guys probably too. I watched some videos before, and most of the videos suggest that you bag up your compost to retain the goodness of your compost. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be making more compost this year, so I started to collect all the peels already. So in this video, you'll see me piling up new stuff to make my compost again, because I want a continuous thing. I see what this compost has done for my garden, and I see how I feel when I'm outside, dealing with the ground, just dealing with the compost making stuff, and just regenerating the earth, and just finding natural stuff, feeling the compost in my hand, and then just connecting to earth and its earthworms. Hello, Fred. That's Fred the little worm. But anyways, I wanted to just connect back to nature, and I want to do this consistently, and I want this to become my lifestyle forever. So practice makes perfect, so I'm learning. So I've watched a lot of videos enough to gather the knowledge in my head to try it and do it myself. And I've done it over the years, and I'm doing it still. And I wanted to show you that you can do it. Don't take so long to bag up your compost though. Do it as soon as your compost is cured. You're going to bag it up. Alright? As long as it's finished making, you're going to bag it up. And I'm not going to lie to you. I am very proud of myself right now, because I got 2 big bags of compost from here. And I got a bucket. You see that white bucket in the middle? I fill that bucket as well with dirt. So this is a good look for me. So it takes 3 months. If you watch my video, go back to the playlist. If you watch my video, you will see it take 3 months for compost to cure. And I did it in 3 months. Although the videos were long, spread across the months, I actually did accomplish that mission to create compost in 3 months. So I know it can be done. So if I start in January, I've done this video the ending of January, but I started the compost a few weeks back. So if I've done this video in January, then I know by March, April, I'll have a good compost. I'm going away for holidays, so I want to make sure that I have enough compost when I return, that I can start my gardening and my planting in May, because the seasons change, and in May is a good planting start. So I want to make sure everything is prepared and ready for me to do my farming, my healthy living, my lifestyle, create a good lifestyle. So now I've bagged up most of the compost, and you can see it's a big bag, and I'm still putting some more in. I'm just gonna get as much as I can out, and I'm gonna leave a little bit more in on the ground. The reason for that is because the ground has like a slab onto the bottom of it, and I don't want to actually take up everything. I want the compost to be on dirt so it can start breaking it down, right? So some earthworms are at the bottom as well, so those can start help breaking the browns and greens from our new piles into compost. All right.
Look, it's deep down in there, you see? So I'm just gonna fill this up now with my compost stuff. All right, you know how I make compost. You've seen another video, so you don't need to watch this one. So I'll just start filling it up now. All right, I've got 2 bags of compost here and a bucket. I'm gonna cover this up as well, that nothing not get in there. And that's my water. What I can do, I can flip this one on top like so. Yep, and then put this one back. That's it. See? And then we just put bread a brick on top to protect all. Right? This one there. Righty. So let me just go and do what I do, and then I'll come back and show you what I'm doing. All right, these I'll go over in here. So now here stink. And then this one. Yeah, some soil in there as well. Yeah, drop him out. Good. So worms start break down in here so already, so that's a good look. All right, I'm gonna get some more. Okay though, give me a minute. So I've got a bucket here with me, which I've been collecting scraps for a few weeks now. So I'm gonna bring them up here. Me blood clot. Taking off the plastics. All right, we've got a little bit of water in there as well. Come here, collect fish, water, fish gut, and everything. Let me hold my bucket. Right? See? More scraps. I've got another bucket down there. I'm gonna come back up. Some more. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm just gonna spread them out and then get some newspapers as well and line them up as well, and some cardboards. All right, so come back. Right, so I just put the worms in the compost pile. Well, just put the worms into the heap of scraps, and I'm gonna cover it and layer it now with some cardboards and stuff, and just leave it, and then it's just gonna do its thing. When I'm on holiday, it's gonna go and do its thing. So yeah, this is my second batch of compost, but the first one for this year. So we've got our cardboards on now, so I'm gonna douse it with some water. I'm just gonna throw water on it, and then I'm gonna get some more greeneries. All right, so this is all I can do for today. I just went around and I got the beans, and then I stir some dry down leaves and other stems and vines, and I pile them up here. So I'm gonna leave this now, and we'll check back on this some other time. All right.